Good morning, all my dears. How are you?
Good morning, Miss. We will fine. What about you?
I am also fine. So, today we are going to learn about our EVS2. Is that? And in this class, we are going to learn about EVS.
EVS2.
EVS1 and EVS2 are interrelated. These two are interrelated with each other. EVS, what is the full form of EVS? Do anyone know?
Environment studies.
Yes, it is E. E matlab environment and V. V is related to EV only and studies, environmental studies. And now I am welcoming you to our online class. Through this online education, I would like to take an opportunity to say thank you to all my officers, myself Pramila Wagmare, our administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam, Nodal Bit Officer Sharad Kurade Sir, Nodal HM Mrs. Pushpam Mary Paul, Assistant Nodal HM Mrs. Manpriti Kaur, and our CNO Mr. Rattilal Sir. Start our lesson with a good thought. Yes, Shamika, can you read this?
Yes, teacher. Be proud of how hard you are.
Yes, whatever we are doing, it is hard to do. So we have to proud how hard we are doing.
Shreya.
These are some protocols for ourselves to stay protected from coronavirus. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water, or you can also use alcohol-based hand rub. While sneezing, you cover your mouth and nose. Avoid close contact with your loved ones, your close ones, when you are suffering with flu-like symptoms. Seek medical care as early as possible. Now let's have a look into previous. What do we learn? Just see which picture is this. You must have seen in your home or at your native place. Or yes, what is this? Is this kalbatta, silbatta, or mixer grinder?
It is a silbata.
Yes, it is a silbatta. It is made up with what?
Stone.
Yes, it is made up with stone, and still we are using it in our homes. Now let's complete this, fill in the blanks. Homo is a Latin word which means,
And man.
yes, it is a
Man.
man. Yes, it is man. And the next one is the Neanderthals primarily lived in where? They lived in
Cave.
caves. Very good. They lived in caves. Now we are going to revise our lesson, that is chapter number 6, Stone Age and Stone Tools. Yes, here you can see various types of stone tools. Normally, whenever we are doing something, we are trying, when we see some or other things in a land, we try to scratch it out. And for that, first we use our fingers. If it is not possible with our fingers, we use our other things such as stick, stone, etc. And these are some stone tools which we used for that. Now see, types of tools according to the types of task. Here in this picture, you can see various types of tools this man used for his work.
Miss the he have animal skin.
No, he put on animal skin as a clothing. Now let's have a look at these types and forms of tools according to the type of work. Who will read this? Is there anyone to read? Yes, Shamika, are you there? Please.
Yes, I'm there. Yes. We use the tools according to the demand of the task we have to perform. Following four factors determines the scope of tools, ability of resource, minimal use of time and energy, maximum efficiency, skill of handling tools, which is acute together practice.
Very good, Shamika. Whenever we use any tool, we determine some factors for what we are using the tools. That means, first of all, that is availability of resources for what we are using that tool, minimal use of time and energy, then maximum efficiency. And the last one is skill of handling tools. How how easily we can handle the tool. All these are acquired through the practice. Now, see here, we have some tools that made from stone and bones. The Stone Age man used animal bones and various type of stone as their tool. Yes, Shamika, please continue.
Okay, miss. Tools made from stones and bones, a copper made from pebbles, a scapular, a circular hammerstone, a copper made from a flake of stone, a, bor- a border made from a bone, an altar used to as a pick.
Yes, a various type of stone tools are here. A chopper that is made from pebble, a scraper that used to scrap the animal skin, then circular hammer stone used as a hammer, then chopper that may used to chop the things such as flesh, etc. Then the fifth one is borer that made from bone, animal bone, and the last one an antler used as a pick. Yes, in the previous class, that is in the fifth lesson, we learned that stone tools made by Homo habilis. Homo habilis is a kind of human being that were used to stay in Europe, Asia, Africa. They used hunting for their daily need of food. But these stone tools were not useful for hunting big animals. They used to hunt small animals such as rabbits, then uh, deers, etc. They has limited use such as scraping meat from the skin of the dead animals or breaking bones to get the bone marrow. Here we can infer from that Homo habilis was a forager. He ate the leftover of animals that had been hunted by other animals. These Homo habilis couldn't do their own hunting. So they were forager and they used to have leftovers of the animals which were hunted by other animals. He hunted small animals such as rabbits, deers, or he gathered eggs and wild fruits and roots to fulfill his hunger. Now, here in this picture, you can see various types of tools with continuous and minute observation and experimentation, and With their inborn imagination, human learned that he could sharpen rods, sticks, and stones into tools to carry it easily from one place to another place, and he can use it more efficiently than the bigger stones. He also learned that he could give this object any shape, whichever he desired. The tools made by humans thousands of years ago were made up of only stone tools you can find today, because stones are not get dissolved easily in the nature. Whether the stacks, the skins, or the wooden part of the tools get dissolved in the nature. The tools made by humans thousands of years ago, only stone tools can be found today. Today we can, in the exhibitions, we can find only stone tools, and these stone tools made from bone were rarely found today. But since twigs and sticks decompose easily, we do not find any tools made from stone age.
Miss, your voice is not coming.
Yes, dear.
I can read this.
Yes. Please continue with 6.2.
Okay. The period from which mainly stone tools are found in called Stone Age. The
Yes.
Stone Age is divided into three space periods on the basis of the space and the types of tools found. Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age. Pleso means old and lithos means stone. Middle class age or Mesozoic age means metro means middle. New third one, new stone age or Neolithic age. New means
Okay, very good, dear. The period from which mainly stone tools are found is called the stone tools. Stone tool means stone age means that whenever we are founding stone tools, it is known as stone age. And this stone age divided into three periods. The first one is stone age, old stone age, or paleolithic. Paleolithic means the paleo, repeat it, paleo. Yes, repeat this word, paleo. Hello, dears, please repeat this word, paleo.
paleo.
Paleo means old. What is the meaning of paleo?
Old.
Old. And lithos. Lithos means lithosphere. Just you are completed. Lithos. Lithos means,
Live on land.
yes, lithos means land, or here you can say stones. Lithos means stone.
Stone.
The next one is middle stone age. Next one kya hai? What is the next one? Middle stone age.
Stone age. Oh.
Middle stone age or the Mesolithic. Meso. Here meso means middle. What is the meaning of meso?
Middle.
Meso means middle. And the next one is the new stone age. The new stone age or the new means neolithic. Neo means
Neolithic.
neo means new. Neo means new. So here we are going to learn about old stone age, middle stone age, and new stone age.
Hello, miss.
Yes, dear, what happened?
Your voice is not coming.
Yes, we are going to learn about three stone ages. The first one is old stone age, the second one is middle stone age, and the third one is the new stone. Okay, repeat this. Three stone ages which we are going to
First one
learn.
is Stone
Yes.
Age. Second
Ah,
one is the Stone Age. Third one is New Stone Age.
very good, dear. Now we are going to learn about Paleolithic age, that is Old Stone Age. In this Paleolithic age, you can see the various types of tools which were used by humans. Okay, Shamika, please read all this for us.
Which one, Miss?
Read from tools made by Homo habilis.
Tools made by the Homo habilis and Homo erectus were belong to Old Stone Age. Both made their tools using the percussion technique, where one large pebble stick against another to obtain stone flags. The first tools made in the Old Stone Age with this technique were crude. Only one side of those tools had a sharp edge. This indicates the Homo habilis had not yet learned to hurt.
Yes, very good, Ash.
He used the flex of stone for
Scrapping.
meat from the height for copying meat. Others footsteps are chopping wooden sticks, etc.
Very good, dear. In this stage, this is the first stage of Stone Age. This is the first, you can see the first stage where a person was learning about how to make stone. How to make stone tools. This is the beginning of the revolution of his life. Here he made tools using the percussion technique. Percussion technique means holding one stone in one hand and beating with another stone. It is known as percussion technique. Here one large pebble strikes against another to obtain stone flakes. These stone first tools made in old Stone Age with this technique only, that is percussion technique. And only one side of these tools had a sharp edge, fine sharp edge. Indicate that Homo habilis had not yet learned to hunt. This is the period of wandering only. Here he didn't learn about hunting, and he used stone flakes for scrapping meat inside from the hide or chopping meat and other food stuffs. For sharpening wooden sticks also he used the stone tools only. Here in this picture you can see various types of stone tools that were used by Homo habilis. Okay, in the next slide, can you see this now? Please read, Shamika. Can you see this? Please read this for us.
Tools like the handaxe and the clever made by Homo erectus are more proportionate. More erectors, Homo erectors are more proportionate and
Proportionate.
similar that the coppers made by Homo erectus. Homo erectus was using different tools for different tasks according to the demand of tasks. With improved tools, Homo erectus could have a greater varieties of food because he could now hunt a varieties of big and small animals.
Okay. Now see,
The Neanderthals
like
to
how do you wait? Tools which were used like hand axe and uh, such as cleaver were made by Homo erectus. These are more proportionate and symmetrical. In your maths, you must have learned about symmetrical designing. That type of tools were made by Homo habilis. These choppers were made by Homo erectus. This Homo erectus was using different tools for different tasks according to the demand of the task. Keep this in mind, that always remember all the things which were used as tools is the used as per the different task, as per the demand of the task. With improved tools, Homo erectus could make a greater variety of food because he could now hunt a variety of big and small animals with the help of various tools he can use. The Neanderthals, it is a place in Germany right now, in Europe. It is This Neanderthals man made tools out of big pebbles as well as from the flax scrapped off from them. These tools were fixed on a bone or wooden shaft to make weapons like spear, axe, etc. Yes, here in this picture you can see this. Okay. Now in the next picture, you can see the various types of stone tools in this picture. This Homo sapiens brought about a revolution, that is the Neolithic period. Homo sapiens brought about a revolution in the technique of making tools. He made various implements such as means tools only, such as knife, scraper, borer, chisel, etc. He also used ivory and very rare stones of the quartz variety for making tools and other articles also. This Homo sapiens had made significant means very important progress, which is not denied by anyone in gaining knowledge of his environment and in the technique of making tools and obtaining food also. This enable them to stay in one place. Before it was a wandering stage, but due to the invention of tools, discovery of tools, a man could stay at one place for a longer period of time. They had also started celebrating various festivals such as birthdays, death, marriage, etc. Many artistic objects also you can find in such as cave painting created by Homo sapiens. It is possibly meant for this festival only. Thus, the beginning of human culture go back to the old Stone Age, and the we various functions, various celebrations, the beginning of the human culture, it is go back in the old Stone Age period. Sorry. Here in India also we can find some remains of old Stone Age. Please Shamika, read this for us.
the Stone Age tools also have been found at India. It was placed from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu, full of human skill and that
Collarbone.
collarbones on of an old Stone Age woman were found on the banks of the Normand in the
Vicinity.
vicinity of Hathera in Madhya Pradesh.
Fossilized.
The fossilized skull of a child found at a village near Pujri, Gangapur on the banks of Godavari River near Nashik and Triki Nivasha in the Parava basin near Nisava are among the well-known old Stone Age sites in Maharashtra.
Yes. In India also we found various places from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu where old Stone Age have been found. Fossils means remains of human skulls and the collarbone of an old Stone Age woman that was found on the bank of Narmada. This river is flowing through Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat near Hathra city in Madhya Pradesh. The fossilized skull of a child found at the village near Puducherry. It is near Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Gangapur, it is a place on the bank of Godavari. It is one of the oldest river in Maharashtra near Nasik, and Chirki Nevasa in the Pravara Basin near Nagar district or Ahmednagar district. Near Nevasa, are among well-known old Stone Age sites in Maharashtra. Chirki Nevasa, then Gangapur are the old Stone Age sites in Maharashtra. And now we are going to learn about Mesolithic age or the Middle Stone Age. Yes, Shamika. Okay. Due to changes in the climate and the environment in the Middle Stone Age, the way of life of humans began to change. The human life always changed due to the changes in the climate and environment. Along with the hunting, these Homo sapiens had started to harvest food grains. And here you can see the beginning of the agriculture. And along with that, he also started to domesticate the wild animals such as horse, then bulls, cows, etc. He used to make implements like knife and the sickle by firmly fixing a row of blades as small as our finger into a groove in a bone on the piece of wood. Here in this picture, you can see all that. In the Middle Stone Age, the stone blades used to make implements were removed from the stone by the fluted core technique. This flute means a long parallel sides depression on the stone. In this picture, you can see this. And the core means the original stone from which the blades were removed. Blades removed with these techniques are very minute. They were very small. The size of the nail are slightly bigger. Our nail, the size of these blades were just like as our nail. Hence, they were called as microliths. Micro means very small and lithos means stone. And in this middle stage, arrows were made by fixing a microlith at the tip of the stick. Here in this picture, you can see this in this picture. Now here you can see various sites of Middle Stone Age have been found in India. Among them, some are Bagor in Rajasthan, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Lingla in Gujarat, Patne in Jalgaon district in Maharashtra, that are one of few famous ones. Now let's move towards New Stone Age. In this age, you can see the stone tools were quite polished. They were smooth and have a shiny finish. As this was a new type of tool making technique, this period also known as New Stone Age. In this period, agriculture and domestication of animals had become routine way of life. Here in this New Stone Age, you can see the life began to settle at one place. As agricultural started, the many tribes were formed and they began to start their life at one place only. Many new sites of New Stone Age found in India, especially along the Ganga River and in South India also. Now let's come towards the fill in the blanks. The period of which the tools that we found are mainly made from stone. The period of which the tools that we found mainly made from stone is known as which age? Yes, Shamika, which age it is? Yes, it is.
Of which the tools that we find that mainly made from stone is called Stone Age.
Stone Age. Very good. Yes. The second one, Dash near Nashik, is well-known old Stone Age site in Maharashtra. Which one is that? Yes, it is Gangapur. Very good, dear. Now let's complete this. Find out the odd pair from this. Rajasthan, Bagor, Madhya Pradesh, Bhimbetka, Gujarat, Linglaj, and Maharashtra, Bijapur. Which one is the odd pair? It is Maharashtra, Bijapur. In Maharashtra, we just now seen that it is Gangapur. Yes. Now, which of the following modern tech machines has stone grinders? In our day-to-day life, we are using machines. From it is not a mixer, dear. Mixer is made up of iron pot only. Floor mills. It is a floor mills. It is floor mill. It is floor mill which is used with stone grinders. Okay. Now read this question and answer. You can take a screenshot to write afterwards. How did man use the percussion technique?
Percussion is the technique used by the Homo habilis and Homo erectus. But both made their tools using this technique. This technique involves beating and striking one large pebbles up against another to obtain stone.
Flex. Very good. To obtain stone flex, this Homo habilis and Homo erectus used this technique, that is beating or striking one pebble with another one. Very good, dear. Now, next question. What revolution was brought about by Homo sapiens in tool making techniques? What was that revolution? for this answer is that in the New Stone Age, in the period of New Stone Age, stone tools were more polished to give a smooth and shiny finish, and that were made for first time. As this was a new type of tool making technique, this period is also known as New Stone Age. Understood? You can take a screenshot to write it afterward. Now, dear children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you as you attend my class.